Have you ever wondered how that little gold chip on your credit card actually works to keep your money safe? This is the story of EMV, the security revolution in payments. We're going to break down the technology behind chip cards, from preventing fraud to enabling the convenience of tap to pay. Let's dive into the security that protects your transactions. For decades, we relied on magnetic stripes, but swiping a card copied static data, your card number and expiration date, which could be easily cloned by criminals. This made counterfeit cards simple to create. The introduction of chip cards, based on the EMV standard, marked a huge shift. This technology is a security revolution designed to stop the most common types of payment fraud, counterfeiting. EMV stands for more than just a chip. It's a global standard for authenticating credit and debit card transactions. It ensures that payment systems speak the same secure language worldwide. EMV is an abbreviation for EuroPay, MasterCard, and Visa, the three companies that initially created the technical specification. It's now governed by EMV Co., which includes major card networks ensuring global adoption. The chip isn't just storage, it's a tiny, powerful computer. It contains a microprocessor, memory to store data, an encryption engine, and contacts to communicate securely with the payment terminal. When you insert your card, the chip and the terminal begin a complex, real-time dialogue. This process replaces the simple data dump of the old magnetic stripe. The quote, authentication dance involves the chip proving its legitimacy to the terminal, and then the terminal requesting a unique, dynamic cryptogram from the chip for that specific transaction. It's a mutual verification process. Unlike the static data on the magnetic stripe, the EMV chip generates dynamic data, a unique cryptogram for every single transaction. This is the core of its security. Because the unique code changes every time, even if a fraudster intercepts the data from one transaction, they cannot replay it later. This dynamic data effectively prevents replay attacks and card cloning. EMV technology also allows for additional security layers, known as cardholder verification methods or CVMs, to confirm that the person using the card is the rightful owner. Chip plus PIN is significantly more secure than chip plus signature because the PIN provides a real-time, secret proof of identity that's difficult for thieves to replicate, unlike a signature. Tokenization adds another layer of security, especially for mobile and online payments. It replaces your sensitive card number with a unique encrypted token, ensuring your real data never leaves the terminal or your device. The technology that makes the EMV chip secure is also what powers modern, convenient payment methods like contactless or tap-to-pay and mobile wallets. Contactless payments use near-field communication, or NFC, to transmit the chip's secure, dynamic data wirelessly. It uses the same robust EMV protocols, just faster and without physical insertion. One of EMV's greatest strengths is its global standard. Whether you're in New York or Nairobi, the EMV chip works the same way, ensuring high security and interoperability worldwide. The credit card chip is a technological marvel that protects your transactions through dynamic data and robust authentication. It truly is the foundation of secure, modern payments. Thank you for watching.